This simple method will make you lose belly fat quickly while you sleep. This is an extraordinary recipe created by natural ingredients that allow you to burn fat and lose belly fat even when you are sleeping. No pains and no efforts. With this simple method, you can lose up to 2.5 inches of the waist in just a few nights. It is no coincidence that this method works effectively to remove fat. The secret is that, thanks to the presence of ginger, an excellent antioxidant, applying ginger on your belly skin will create thermal reaction in the skin area, and these thermal reactions will burn excess belly fat. Moreover, ginger is an excellent antioxidant. This helps your skin become smooth and elastic. Therefore, your belly skin, after fat reduction, retains the firmness and does not get sagging. Here are detailed instructions on how to remove belly fat with ginger. First, you dip a large towel into warm water. And place it around your belly so that it completely covers the areas where you have excess fat. Warm water helps open pores for the belly to more easily absorb the active fat-burning ingredient of this method. Leave your towel for 5 minutes. During this time, prepare this mixture to apply on your belly. Firstly, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of almond oil in the bowl. Almond oil is a great moisturizer that will help you in removing loose skin after losing belly fat. It will tighten sagging skin and make it soft and supple. Next, add 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is excellent for skin repair. It stimulates collagen production to make the skin firmer. Finally, add a tablespoon of ginger powder. Stir well until the mixture is homogeneous. Now, remove your towel and apply this mixture directly to the belly fat area. You should combine with gentle massage to remove belly fat more quickly. Don't worry if you feel a little burnt, because when you put it on the body fat areas, active ingredients are activated and work well. Finally, use a fixed band around the applicating area to increase absorption and limit the evaporation of the mixture when exposed to the external environment. Allow it to work for at least 6 hours to achieve optimal results. You can sleep with this mixture on your belly as long as it doesn't bother you while you sleep. Putting it at bedtime will limit the exposure to the dirty factors outside and remove it the next morning. After weeks of using this remedy, you will be surprised to see your waist in the mirror. The thorough effect is completely gotten only when it is applied daily. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.